Struggling in PF overlapping is the biggest problem in the IT markets. Okay. Because of overlapping, you will not get the opportunity, you cannot delete the entry. Because of that, career gap is creating. Okay. If career gap is creating, that is another problem. People will not ready to schedule the call. Okay. If you created career gap, that will create another biggest problem. Okay. You followers, you people are raising too many questions. How you will resolve PF overlapping issues? What action you will take? How your suggestions will help me? Okay. Usually for PF overlapping, if you are struggling in PF overlapping, there is no solution. No one will select you. Okay. Only very worst case suggestion is available. Okay. If you don't want to go for job, you can sit at home. But if you want to move forward in career life, there is a very worst case suggestion is available for dual employment. Even though more than 3 months overlapping, I can suggest you very worst case suggestions to you people. Okay. I repeat, we cannot delete the entry. Even though if you interact with your previous organization, they won't give respect. They will not give respect to you. They never modify your start date and end date also in PF account as well as in the relieving letter. Okay. So very worst case suggestion is available in order to get job with your dual employment. If you are okay, consulting fee is huge. Okay. Once done your consulting fee, we will discuss further. Okay. My email ID and UPI ID available in this video description. Please call me if you need suggestions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.